Hey lads, TechScanning here. So it wouldn't be wrong to say, at the moment one of the hotly anticipated devices from famous DJI is their innovative design DJI Flip drone. Now DJI has just dropped a short teaser confirming their new drone will be launching on the 14th of January. Though this teaser didn't mention the drone name, however another teaser revealed it will be named DJI Flip and will have downward folding propellers. Now though there are still a few days for the launch event, but guess what? We have already received a complete unboxing of the DJI Flip drone as well as some of its features. So inside the box, of course there will be a compact folding drone, a controller, a 3110 mAh of battery, a propeller set, cable, etc. As per details, a full charge would give you around 31 minutes of flight, and the battery can be juiced up with up to 30 watt charging speed via a drone. However, with an optional charging hub, it can reach up to 65 watt, where you can even charge 2 batteries at a time. This is great as you have to spend less time on waiting and more time for creative shots. Further, the DJI Flip will be just 249 gram, which is around the same weight as carrying a smartphone like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 folding phone. Now, in terms of features, this compact drone will be pretty loaded there. It will come with the essential advanced sensor system such as 3D ToF on the front, visual and infrared sensors. The front sensor can detect obstacles up to 8 meters away, while the lower sensor will enable a smooth landing. On the camera side, it will come with a good 1/1.3 inches sensor size, which is rumored to be behind the 48 megapixel camera lens. It will offer 4 times digital zoom and you can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. Further, it will also support DNG and RAW photo formats. However, the best part for the photographers, the drone will have a built-in 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which is crucial to take professional shots. Next, the DJI Flip will use O4 transmission technology, so it will be able to offer a smooth live display on your controller or smartphone over a long range. Now, speaking about the range, under ideal conditions and without obstacles, it can offer up to a huge 13 km range. However, for European standards, it can go up to 8 km. Now, we also have some insights about its pricing ahead of the launch. So, according to that, there will be 3 combos priced 449, 659 and 809 euros. And most likely, the 449 euro combo will include only the drone. Anyway, a good amount of details even before the launch. Let me know what you think about the DJI Flip design, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.